Hi, absolutely love this Amazon Echo Show 8 third generation. This literally makes my life so much easier. I just ask it questions like, Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 58 degrees.
And it's just like so cool. Like it makes everything so convenient, and it's so pretty. It will play music for me. It's just helpful. It's an alarm clock. It's a personal planner, everything, and it's so beautiful. It helps me with recipes. I can pull up YouTube on it. It's just wonderful. And I will get commission from it, and with my affiliate link that I have in the description. So please like and subscribe. And if you want to order this, just click the affiliate link. And look at how beautiful this is too. I just really appreciate how wonderful this is. It's like a little piece of artwork in my kitchen. I have one honestly in every room. I've purchased it as gifts for my relatives too. Yeah, I don't know, I think it's such a wonderful thing. Like, again, it plays music. I can watch cooking videos on it, everything. It's something that I really appreciate. So, yeah, I think it's something that is great. And again, look at the beautiful artwork. I just think it's such a great piece to have, like, honestly, in every room in your house. And it's a great gift to buy for people as well. So yeah, this is something that I really enjoy. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just perfect. And you don't have to have these pictures pop up. This is just something that I like. You can actually, I believe, have your own photo album pop up on the background, but I like this. I like this variety to pop up. And I don't know, I think it's something that's just really nice. So yes, again, I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. And if this is something that you're interested in getting as a gift, please click the affiliate link. And oh yeah, let me just show you some other features with it too. So as you can see here, you can, I don't know if you can see this, but you can turn off, I don't know if you can see, you can turn off the camera and you can turn off the sound here. Not sure if you can see that. And it's not too large in the back here. So it's a pretty slim device. I don't know, I think it's just really nice. But yep, anyway, I appreciate you watching this video and have a nice day. Thanks.